Unboxing Meet Hour. Let's see what this platform can do. The branding already feels super professional and clean. First impression? Minimalist video chat icon. Looks sleek. Let's dive into the dashboard. Wow, intuitive layout here. Setting up a meeting is surprisingly fast. Just a few clicks. I love how you can customize your meeting's branding. Adding my company logo makes it feel truly mine. Sending out personalized invitations. This is a nice touch. Joining a call, interface is clear, everything labeled well. Audio and video quality, crisp and reliable, no lag. Tested with my team, everyone joined smoothly, no hiccups. Interactive features stand out. Let's try the whiteboard. Drawing, writing, importing images, it's all real time. Collaboration feels instant, even with remote teammates. Switching to screen share, seamless and high-res. Now let's check out the transcription feature. Live transcription starts automatically. Super accurate. Need translation? It supports multiple languages live. This is huge for global teams and clients. Testing live streaming, broadcasting meetings in real time. Audience engagement tools are built right in. Recording a session is just one click. Recordings are stored securely, easy to access anytime. Playback quality is solid, and files are downloadable. Privacy and security settings are robust. Love this. Managing participants is straightforward, even for big groups. Breakout rooms? Yes, and they're easy to set up. Perfect for workshops, events, or classroom settings. Notifications are customizable, no more annoying interruptions. Mobile app experience is just as smooth and powerful. Tried hosting a branded webinar, looked super professional. Switching between features is quick. No lag or confusion. Integration options for calendars and tools are plentiful. Support resources are clear and actually helpful. For event organizers, the customization is a game changer. Educators will love the interactive whiteboard and breakout rooms. Business professionals get reliable, branded communication every time. If you want efficient, secure, branded meetings, this is it. Meet Hour covers everything from daily calls to big events. My honest take? It's versatile and truly professional. Best deal is on AppSumo right now. Don't miss out. Ready to upgrade your meetings? Check out Meet Hour today.